How to fix image generation not working in ChatGPT. So if you're trying to generate an image and it's either taking a really long time or it's just not working in general, then I'm going to show you 3 different ways on how to go and solve this issue. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is just go and click on your profile name in the bottom left-hand side, and then click on settings. You could then click on personalization and then scroll down to memories and go and click on manage. Now, most of the time, the image generation's not working when you have too much storage on your account. So what you can do is try clearing some of your saved memories and data. So you can either remove a memory just by selecting the individual one and pressing delete, or if you're happy to delete all of your previous memories, just click on the 3 horizontal dots and press delete all memories and then go and press delete all. Now once you've done that, you can press data controls. And you can also delete all your chats as well by pressing delete all and then just press confirm deletion. Now once you've done that, click back on your profile name and press log out and then sign out of your ChatGPT account. Once you're signed out, you can try signing back in and you can check to see if the image generation is now working. If it's still taking a long time, there is one final solution as well. So for example, I can type in create an image and press enter. And while this image is generating, you can click on more in the top left-hand side and you can go and select images. You can then scroll down this page and you'll see my images and you should be able to find the image from the list. So even if the image has not been generated on the chat window, you can sometimes find the images already saved in this folder down here.